Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and today I want to show you the Erin Condren 2021 Winter Surprise Box that I just received in the mail yesterday. This box, as you can see, is a celebration theme, so it has the confetti pattern on the outside, and inside it says, "Make the days count," right there. So it's a reversible box like all the others, and you can turn it around so that this is on the outside, and it makes, a good box for gifting, things like that. Inside is all the goodies, and there's a little card that tells us all about everything that's in there. And then in addition, there is a 20% coupon for A5 journals and planners and things like that, which is something new for the box this year. As far as what's inside the box, I think the main event, and that's what I'll start with, is this year-over-year journal, and this is a hardbound book, and it's sort of a ombre from purple down to like a peachy pinky color. And inside it's undated, and the year-over-year journal, if you're not familiar with it, is like, it gives you space to write. You write the date, and then there's these two little colored blocks here. I hope you can see these. And on this one, you'd put, let's say the date was January 1, you'd put, 1/1, and then you'd put 2022 here. And then in the next block, you would put 2023. And on January 1st, 2022, you'd kind of write a little blurb about what happened in your day, or a memory, or how you were feeling, or anything about your day. And you do that every day throughout the year. And then when 2023 starts again, starts up, you'd come back on January 1st and you'd put your entry here for January 1st of 2023. So the idea is that you can compare what you did in 2023 to what you did in 2022. And it's a great way to keep your important memories, or to track the progress. If you have children, track their growth. You could certainly put some pictures in here, or tape in some mementos. So it's a really nice way to just write a little blurb and keep track of all the things you want to remember. So this is a beautiful book. I love the size, the form factor. It's something you could keep on your nightstand and write in at night before you go to bed. On the website, on the Erin Condren website, you can also buy a year-over-year journal in the coiled A5 size. So I believe, I'll look at this, but this journal is let me see, it is a $22 value, and this is exclusive to the box. So you will not be able to buy the hardbound version like this, but they do have the coiled version on the website. So some of the other things inside the box is this little color blend sticky pocket. And this is a sneak peek. So this will actually be for sale on the website at some point. And on the back, it's just a sticker. So you just peel off the backing, and you can stick this on a journal. You can stick this inside your planner, and it's shaped like a little denim pocket, and there's a little space to slide some of your planning supplies in. This is actually, it's made from like a heavy duty paper. So it is a paper pocket. It's got some stitching on it to make it look kind of like a denim pocket, but it's not denim. And it's just a little novelty. It's very cute. So there's that. Also in this box is a ceramic tray, and this is sort of a rainbow type design. You can use it for trinkets, or on your desk you can use it for office supplies, paper clips, binder clips, things like that. So it's pretty, and it can be useful. Another thing in the box are some functional stickers, and I do enjoy functional stickers more than anything, because I like to put little pops of color in my planning, and I use these check mark stickers for keeping track of taking my vitamins, or drinking water, exercise, things like that. So definitely useful. And they have the celebrations confetti design on some of these flags. So I do like these. They're very similar to the stickers that you get in the back of the life planners as well. Another thing in the box is an A5 size interchangeable cover in an Etta V pattern. So Etta V is a designer based in France, I believe, and she has these really beautiful, colorful designs. So I really like this. I don't have a lot of A5 coiled planners, but I do actually have the year-over-year journal in the coiled version from the website. So I plan to use this on that journal. There's also an interchangeable cover in the 7x9 size, so for the traditional life planners. And this has the confetti pattern, similar to the box as you can see here, and it has metallic accents. So that's also something fun that you can use on your planners. Also in this box is a set of gift wrap, and there's a sheet with the metallic gold mid-century circles, and there's a second sheet in here with the colorful mid-century circles with some string and some tags. And so these are great for the holidays, but also for birthdays and things like that. And I usually have a lot of holiday wrap, but never enough birthday wrap, so that could be very useful. And finally, these are actually really fun. These are dual tip list markers. And what that means, I'm just gonna bring up a tablet here. I have this cube from the Layers design from a few years ago or last year, or gosh, time is all blending. But basically, now the surface is not real hard, but this has the Erin Condren asterisk on the pink marker, and it goes like this, and you can make, see, I said I need like a firm surface. So there you go. So you can use it like a little stamp, and you can make a list of things that you need to do. And then you can write, you know, item 1 using the second side, item 1, item 2, item 3. And the fine point is a black ink. And the only thing I don't like is it's a little bit recessed, the point. So I kind of like the traditional dual tips where it is sticking out just a little bit more. But all in all, this is really a fun way to make a list. And the blue one is a checklist stamp. So here, let's see here. If I just do like this, and you can make little circles. I need something a little bit stronger. See, this is a very furry blanket that I have under here, so I'm not getting enough firmness. Here we go. So you go like this, and you can make your circles. So I really like this because you can make checklists on the go. There we go. I have it working a little bit better there. There we go. You can make checklists on the go, and you also have the fine point on the other end to write, you know, your to-do list. To do, to do, to do. So these are really fun. I'm not getting them to work really great here. If you have a desk that you're working on and not something soft, then I think you'll get a better result than I did. So I just want to quickly go over with you the things that were in here. Most of this box is exclusive. There was very few sneak peeks. So the Celebrate Sticker Pack Duo here is a $5.50 value and was an exclusive to the box. The Color Blend Sticky Pocket right here is a $6.50 value, and it is a sneak peek. The Metallic Confetti Interchangeable Cover, which is this one, is an $8 value, and it is exclusive to the box. The Year-over-Year Journal here is a $22 value, and it is exclusive to the box. The Dual Tip List Markers, which is a 2-pack, it's a sneak peek, and it's a $10.50 value. And like I said, it's a sneak peek, so these should be available on the website at some point soon. The Ceramic Tray is an exclusive to the box, and it's $12 value. The gift wrap set is a $12 value and is exclusive to the box. And this Edavi Festival Interchangeable cover is exclusive to the box and is a $4 value. So that is the 2021 Erin Condren winter box. Overall, I think a little underwhelmed by this box. I really like the holiday themes of the last few winter boxes. This is more a celebrations theme, so it's nice. I love the Edavi cover, so that's a lot of fun, and I'm glad it's an A5 size because I really don't have any, and I do have that one A5 notebook, so I'll definitely be using this. I love the year-over-year journal. I'll probably be gifting this over the holidays because I do have one of these already. Gift wrap is always useful. And the tray is not really my style. It's not something that I love, and it's definitely not very holiday-ish. So it's something that could be gifted as well, I guess. The stickers I like, and the pocket I'm not too sure about. I probably won't use it. It might be something that I'll gift as well. So that is the 2021 Erin Condren winter box, seasonal box. I would love to hear what you think about it. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And you can come visit me on my website, almostpractical.com, where I do a lot of Erin Condren reviews and talk about organizing and productivity and some of my other favorite things that I really like. So thank you so much for joining me today.